Not only can networking help you connect with potential clients and expand your business, but it can also provide you with valuable support and resources. One of the best ways to network is by attending industry events. Conferences, workshops, and meetups are all great opportunities to meet other translators, learn about the latest industry trends and innovations, and build relationships with potential clients. You can often find these events advertised online or in industry publications, so be sure to keep an eye out for opportunities to attend. In addition to attending events, online communities can also be a great way to network. Joining LinkedIn groups, forums, and other online communities specific to the translation industry will give you a platform to share your expertise, ask for advice and feedback, and connect with other professionals in the field. By regularly participating in these communities, you can build relationships with other translators and establish yourself as an expert in your niche. Collaborating with other translators is another effective way to network and promote your services. Whether you offer your skills as a subcontractor or team up on larger projects, collaborating with other professionals can help you expand your client base and provide a wider range of services. Additionally, working with other translators can provide you with valuable feedback and support, which can be especially important if you're just starting out in the industry. Building strong relationships with clients is essential for the success of your freelance translation business. By providing excellent customer service, responding promptly to inquiries, and staying in touch even after projects are completed, you can establish yourself as a reliable and trustworthy translator. Not only will this increase the likelihood of repeat business, but it can also lead to valuable referrals and recommendations. Finally, joining professional organizations like the American Translators Association or the Institute of Translation and Interpreting can be a great way to network and access valuable resources. These organizations often offer training programs, networking events, and other resources to help translators grow their businesses and stay up to date on the latest industry developments. Overall, effective networking is a critical aspect of promoting your freelance translation services. By attending events, joining online communities, collaborating with other translators, building relationships with clients, and utilizing professional organizations, you can expand your network, build valuable connections, and succeed in the translation industry.